If you want to make beautiful and slightly healthier cakes, you're in the right place. Hi everyone, welcome to Joyful Home Cakes, where I'll show you how to make beautiful cakes easily. Today I'll show you how to make this gorgeous and delicious carnation basket cake. First, we make the chocolate ganache for the basket. 230 grams of whipping cream or heavy cream on the stovetop. 42 grams of granulated sugar. Stir evenly until the sugar melts. Heat the cream until just simmering. Pour it over a bowl of 150 grams of 70% dark chocolate. Shake it a little bit and let the cream sit on the chocolate for 2 minutes. Stir until the cream and chocolate are fully combined. If the cream is not warm enough, you can simply put the whole bowl into the microwave for 10 seconds and keep stirring. Cover the mixture with a plastic wrap and refrigerate for more than 4 hours or overnight. Next, we make the chocolate whipped cream frosting for the cake layers. Prepare a chilled large bowl, pour 300 grams of heavy whipping cream, beat it for 1 minute on high speed. 20 grams of granulated sugar. Beat it until the cream is thick. Sift the cocoa powder. Beat for another minute until the cream is stiff. Cover it with plastic wrap and keep it in the fridge for later use. Bake some walnuts and chop them into small pieces. Take the chocolate cream mixture from the fridge and stir with hand mixer until smooth. I prepared a 6-inch chocolate chiffon cake and cut it into 3 layers. Mix walnuts with the chocolate whipped cream frosting. Start to add the filling to the layers. And spread evenly. Take some frosting without walnuts and coat on the surface of the cake. It doesn't need clean lines and smooth edges. And put in the fridge for later use. Use Wilton piping tip number 47 for the basket. Let's practice the basket weave piping. Now we start to pipe the basket weave on the cake. Also a circle on the top of the cake. We're going to color the buttercream. I prepared taro powder, strawberry powder, and purple sweet potato powder. With 100 grams of buttercream, I put 1 tablespoon and 1 teaspoon of taro powder. Mix it evenly. This is to lighten the yellow buttercream color. 2 tablespoons of strawberry powder. Mix it evenly. You'll see the light yellow buttercream becomes pink color. If you want the pink to be darker, you can put a slightly purple sweet potato powder in it. Mix evenly and it'll become this color. Put the buttercream in the piping bag and keep it in the fridge for 30 minutes before use. We're going to make the leaves color. I prepared green tea powder and a little cocoa powder. 1 tablespoon of green tea powder is enough. Mix it evenly. If you want the leaves to look a little darker, you can add slightly cocoa powder into it. Be careful not too much or the green color will become dull and dirty. We're going to pipe the carnations. I use Korea piping tip number 126K, which is the perfect tip for the carnation. First, I use Wilton tip number 1A to pipe the middle base. Try to do 30 degrees angle of petals from the top. Use swivel motion to create ruffle petals from top to bottom, for both clockwise and anti-clockwise. Make sure fill in the gaps with more petals and finish the full circle of petals until it is a nice shape. I assure you it's much easier to pipe carnations than roses. Here's a trick to make it more realistic. Use a clean brush to dab the petal edges. Let's decorate the cake. Apply some chocolate whipped cream frosting on the top in order to hold the carnations. Use Wilton piping tip number 352 for the leaves. Fill the gaps between the carnations with leaves. And we're done. Thanks for watching this video. Please like, share, and subscribe. I hope you will enjoy making cakes as I do so much. See you next time!